Tired of paying for Capcut Pro and ready to downgrade? It's easier than you think, so let's jump right in and get your subscription canceled. First, open Capcut on your PC. Then, look for your profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen and click on it. This will open up your account settings panel. Find the section that displays your subscription status. It will say Capcut Pro. Next to it, you'll see a Manage button. Go ahead and click on the Manage button. Clicking Manage will automatically open your default web browser and take you to your Capcut subscription management page on the official Capcut website. Scroll down if needed, and find the Cancel Subscription button and select it. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to cancel. Click on Confirm Cancellation to proceed. And that's it, your Capcut Pro subscription is now canceled. The page will usually display the date your access will expire. You can still use Capcut's free features after this date.